Before we can put the SD card into the Raspberry, we have to copy the Noobs operating system onto the SD card so that they can boot in it. And for that, you just have to take the archive from the website of Noobs and copy it into the SD card and extract it. And now, after the Raspberry booted, you will see the initial setup window. And here you just have to choose the Raspbian, the recommended install. And if you want, you can already set up the Wi-Fi network, but we will do it afterwards as well. Then you can just accept this warning, and because the whole SD card will be overwritten, if there are other things you have on the SD card, then you can just move it on another location. And now the setup will start, and after a few minutes, it can take up to 5 to 10 minutes till it's finished. Then it will reboot and boot into Noobs. And then you can just update the software. You can do it either here or through the terminal, but I will do it through the terminal so that you can see what happens behind the whole update process. Then we're done, and we'll take the terminal, open it, and then start with the first update. This can also take a few minutes, so be patient and just wait. And then after that, you have to use the upgrade command to upgrade these updates that he took now. And now, in the meantime, while it's upgrading, you can enter the browser and open the website of the EU project, the TrainIoT. And there you can look for the commands you need to install the toolchain to work with Node-RED. Then we go to the TrainIoT EU link. There is a safety warning, but it's okay. So you can just open the page. And here you can click on it to have the whole setup information you need for your Raspberry. There is also the information for the Raspberry Pi setup, how it works. And here we will choose that and go down here to the installation of needed components. And here you can see everything you need to install to get the whole toolchain working. So now we just wait for the upgrade progress to finish so that we can continue. And now, after the upgrade finished, you can install, like in the wiki, the toolchain. We will start with Python. Normally or usually the Python modules are already installed, but just to be sure, we will input it and look if there is something that has to be updated or anything like that. And the next part is installing Node-RED, and for that you can just use the bash script that you can take from the wiki and just copy and paste it in here and then execute it. And here you can choose yes as answer, because it will take or install Raspberry specific nodes for the Node-RED flowcharts. Then just wait for the script to finish updating or installing Node-RED, and after that we have to continue with the Node-RED part of this tool installation. And now, after the installation of the script finished, you can just continue and change into the directory of Node-RED. And there you can execute the command npm rebuild. And now, to have the possibility to control the senset, you have to install the module senset. And for the whole MQTT Mosquito protocol, you just need to use the Mosquito module for the client. And if you have a broker or let's say a server for the whole MQTT protocol, then you have to use another installation that I'll show just in a few moments, because I will use the Raspberry as client and as server, just to show you how the whole process works. And for that you use the pip installer and take the Paho MQTT.